Probably the biggest challenges for companies in this space is that they all too often don't invest in a tool to support the vital function of capital planning and capital projects. Microsoft Excel is the de facto standard, and while it's a very capable spreadsheet tool, it's not an enterprise system designed for managing complex capital projects. We've seen clients whose current state process when we met with them initially was managing north of $100 million of capital projects in a series of Excel spreadsheets. And the biggest challenge with this approach is the inability to view and report on all of the complex data associated with projects of that magnitude and scale. So what you get are heroic manual efforts applied as a solution, which really isn't sustainable and often leads to extended timelines. It leads to personal burnout and turnover and can cause real damage to projects that are ongoing. And Nuvolo's capital projects solution addresses these challenges by consolidating all the information needed to plan, track, and manage complex projects from a single place. From things like a Gantt chart visualization of milestones and work streams to baselining for comparing plans to budget and actuals, Nuvolo is focused on what matters, which is empowering people to do their best work and ensure that projects are delivered on time and on budget.